We love working with Kasna because you're so focused on Google. We know that you're a safe pair of hands. We've been involved in many projects that have gone really well because of the Kasna involvement. Great people, really deep tech skills. So yeah, we love the partnership.
The trainers were really lovely. It was nice to see different people coming up and talking about their areas of expertise, and everyone was obviously really passionate, so that's always great.
What's the one fun bit? Data?
Yeah. You like the data?
Oh, of course, yeah.
Data nerd.
Being a newbie in GCP, I found it's pretty helpful.
The labs are really great and they're really quick and easy to pick up, but sometimes it's hard to get, you know, an hour out of multiple work days. So having one day that you can just kind of focus was really nice.